What is up, YouTube? This is Rick G. I am back with another video, and today it is a much overdue mail call and Benji Book update for the giveaway that we are going to be doing. So all these packages right here are all for the Benjamin Franklin book. This is awesome. We're going to fill this thing up. Hopefully, I don't know what the dates are just yet, but we're hoping that we can fill this up with every date and every mint mark. So let's get into these packages, find out what's going on. Of course, I will be in this video letting you know when we're going to do the live stream to give this thing away. So let me get the first package out and I'll be back. Alright, so first we're going to talk about what was in this envelope right here. First, the Walking Liberty came from John Scott. He received that in one of the silver lopes during the stream, and he wanted to donate that to the Benjamin Franklin $half book. All it had to be was a 90% $half, and you have an entry. So this one right here is for Silver Streak. During one of the mail calls, I was giving away an entry and a Benjamin Franklin. The Benjamin Franklin is the entry, basically, and he's the one that won it. A 1954 Denver. So Silver Streak has an entry, and then Coin Silver, he and I worked out a deal for him to have an entry as well. This is his Benjamin Franklin that is going to go towards the entry. I don't know if it's going to fit in the book. I think we have the 61s, but that being said, Coin Silver has an entry as well. Alright, so these four right here, proof like Benjamin Franklins. Look at these things. That's a 1962. This is a 1963. This is a 1961, and this is another 1962. Just in great condition, mirror-like finish, unbelievable. Luke has donated these, one to CM Silver, one to Mark Haley, one to John Scott, and then one to Cutie Cat. These guys had tried to give him a quarter piece of paper during the stream. If you find 4 of them, you get another ounce of silver. He was looking for his for four weeks, so these 3 guys had offered to give him one. So in return, as generosity is, he donated each one of these for each one of those guys. And then for this, Cutie Cat, as being a great moderator that she is, he wanted to donate one for her as well. So those 4 proof like Benjamin Franklins are in the giveaway as well. I don't know if I'm going to put them in the book because they look so nice. I have another proof like, maybe I'll put these together with the other one and then make it one big giveaway. Not one big giveaway, but give away the book, and then this be a secondary prize. We'll talk about that very shortly. So up next, it is Silver Streaks. His package had been received, and inside it says, thanks for including the Benji to the album. Regards, Silver Streak. So thank you very much for the card. Check out the stickers. We have stickers as well, so that is awesome. I'll be giving these away during the stream. Not all of them. I need to have, 1 or 2 for myself, but no, at least one. I gotta have at least one. Of course, we'll be giving some of these away, but here is the Benji that he had sent in, a 1952 San Francisco minted Benjamin Franklin. So another entry for you, my friend. Thank you. Alright, so this one is from Silver Heist, and it says, great idea on the Benji Book. I have enclosed a coin roll hunting find in 1952. He goes on to say that it's hard to find the S mint marks on the East Coast, so he hopes that the 52 has a place in the book. I'm not necessarily sure. I think we have the 52, but it makes an additional spot filler or additional prize along the way, free giveaway during the stream, something. I'm not sure. We also did a Salvant Metal round video. He has a playlist, so definitely go check that out. Salvant Metal has been to some awesome places. Let's see. Oh yeah, Cheerios right here. And this guy is about his breakfast. And here's some Irish oatmeal, apples and cinnamon. Just so happens both pieces of cardboard is breakfast food. You make me hungry, brother. And here it is, the 1952 Benjamin Franklin, minted in Philadelphia. So Silver Heist, you have an entry. Good luck to you, my friend. Alright, so this 1950 Benjamin Franklin is from Wisconsin's Coin Hunter. He was in a rush. He wanted to get this thing out right away. He didn't put a note in it, but it definitely came from him because it was his address. So 1950, nice one. 1950 Philadelphia. I believe we need this one for the book. We will find out very shortly. Let's get to the next one. Alright, so the next one is from our friend Mel's Coin Corner. And we did a trade for a panda. He sent this dragon right here. Of course, my wife likes the dragons. I can't figure out which way is up. I know it's from Republic de Cameroon. So I'm assuming it's either like this or like this. I haven't figured that part out yet. Probably like this, I'd say. But awesome coin right here. Thank you very much for that. The American Silver Eagle as well. But we're not talking about these. We're talking about the Benji Book. He sent in two 90% half dollars. One for himself and then one for Tessa Cunningham as well. As you see right here, one's for Tessa Cunningham in the Benji Book. So thank you very much, Mel. You have the entry for yourself. You have the entry for Tessa Cunningham. Good luck to both of you. Alright, so this last one is from our friend CM Silver, and short and to the point, Rick, here are several Benjis for the book. Hope this helps. And I just looked at the dates, and yes, indeed, they definitely help. Let's get into what he has sent us. This light is wreaking havoc on me. In the bag, this one is a 1949 Denver Mint. The package was packaged very well. One, it was in an ASC tube that had a half-dollar tube inside of it that had bubble wrap inside of that, and then everything that was inside of it. So very nice packaging right there, CM Silver. That is awesome. Let's show what CM Silver sent in real quick. We have a 48 Philadelphia. We have a 49 San Francisco Mint. We have another 49 Philadelphia, so that means we have all the 49s for sure. We have a 1950 Philadelphia. We have a 51 Philadelphia, a 52 San Francisco, a 53 San Francisco. Check that out. S mint marks everywhere. A 1956 Philadelphia. And then lastly, the 1959 with some nice little toning on it from Philadelphia. So now let's get all of these half dollars out, get this book, show what it looked like to begin with and what it looks like now. Alright, so this is what the book looks like before I put all of these coins in. And now let's show what it looks like after. I just want to show you something real quick. This is just the ones that CM Silver had sent in. I knew that a lot of his dates were going to fit, so I wanted to see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 of the coins that he had sent in. 9 of the 10 that he had sent in fit. This is a 49D, and we had already had one of those in there. So that is amazing. That is just amazing. This will upgrade that one though. So 10 of 10 basically. CM Silver. That is awesome. Now let's get them and see what we can fit in as well. Alright, so after going through these up here, no more fit into the book down here. Unfortunately, we do not have every date for the book. Now, we do have this 1955 proof that I didn't want to take out of the flip, and we have this 1961 as well. It is another proof. This one came from Luke, to be exact. That goes right there. What I did do was I went over to my half dollars and I looked all through my Benjamin Franklins to see if we had any of these dates. I was just going to trade them out for like some Kennedys or something, you know, even if I could just fill these up. Unfortunately, I do not have a 1960 or a 1957. Now, the stream is going to be better than a week away, so hopefully I can get to the LCS and I can pick these 4 up, because I'd like to take these 2 right here, put them over here with these other proofs, and make that an additional prize. I'd like to get these 4 right here from the LCS, trade out like these 90% Kennedys right here, maybe this clean Walker or something, or another Benjamin Franklin, whatever the case is. I'm going to try my hardest to get these 4 coins so that we can give away a complete Benjamin Franklin album when we do the live stream. let me get these all in. Let me get the other $50 all together so we can see what kind of prizes we're going to have, and I'll be right back. All right, so this is what we have. We will have a full Benjamin Franklin book. Hopefully I'm able to find the 57, the 55, the 61, and the 1960 so that we can have a complete set. I'll just trade these out. I don't know, it's like 63s and 61s. That's a 63 there. But hopefully I can just trade them out, put the complete dates and mint marks in this book, and give that away. That is going to be the main prize. The other main prizes will be the 6 proofs right here. There will be 10 Benjamin Franklins given away, 5 Benjamin Franklins given away, and then during the stream there are going to be 4 random giveaways. Of course, all of the information about this is going to be down below for those who are in this giveaway. That is put in. This is not necessarily a giveaway so much as it is the community coming together to build something up. This was the community's doing right here. All I did was host it, and this has been phenomenal. Prior to the stream, I will put out a short video showing you how I'm going to do the drawing. It's all going to be live so that you know what's going on. The live stream is going to be on February 29th. I know that's a long time away, but I know I'm not going to be able to do it this week, this weekend, or next week. I'm hoping on the 29th I am free to do the live stream. I am going to do it at noon. That is a Saturday. Hopefully everybody is able to make it. It is subject to change. I do have an extremely busy work life. So hopefully I'm able to make it. If I'm not, I will definitely give you an update to let you know I have to postpone it, or if I'm able to make it sooner. But right now it is February 29th. The only way I'll make it sooner is if I know I'm not going to be able to do it on the 29th, and I can make some things work during the next week or whatever. But anyway, the information's down below. This is what we got. Thank you all for participating, for following this. This is going to be awesome. I have a few more walking liberties to fill up my book, and then after that, boom, we're going to do another book giveaway. I hope everybody gets in on that as well. So until next time, good luck to you. I hope you profit on all your searches. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think, of course. And until next time, good luck.